What's this? Guys, we are at Cocoa Palm in Negril. This is what it looks like, guys. It's like really beautiful. I stayed here before. We're just here for a visit. It's right over there. It says Cocoa Palm. And as you can see, how beautiful is it? The restaurant is over there. We're having some breakfast. And right now I'm walking down to the beach. And you can see this is very, very nice here. So we're here for a short visit and I figure, okay, I gotta come and see this place again. Because we stayed here before about 2 years ago and we really liked it. And this is what it looks like. We have all our lawn chairs here. This is a nice coconut tree. Look at this coconut is right on the beach. See? Look at this coconut right there. Nice lawn here. And now the star of the show. Just look at the Caribbean Sea. Look at this is Negril. Jamaica Negril. Look how beautiful that is. Right on the sun. This is the sun. Walking on the sun. Wow, look at that. Now we have some boats over there. See all those boats? If you want to ride, because we're up on the beach. So this is sand here. But if you want like a ride going down towards the cliff, you can just get a ride on one of these boats for a small fee. Really nice white sand, crystal clear water. Can't get it better than this. Nice spot. Look at the paradise. Right here at the Cocoa Palm.
See musician there?
So look at it, guys. Nice, nice. And Negril, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Crystal clear water. And there's a lot of people walking. Good. No. All right, guys. So, all right. So, guys, here we go. We are in Negril, Westmoreland, and I'm here with. Yeah, what's your name? What's your name?
You know, my name is Jabert.
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 Hi, Jabert. How are you?
Okay.
Right on the Negril sand. Right at Cocoa Palm.
Loves me or not, I wanna say to you, my love.
Guys, this is nice. I have a singer here.
I walk on the Negril sand. I just meeting some people so sweet and so nice. That's the lovely Caribbean to be.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Listen, and if you urchin up, you drink a jelly, you feel so nice and so sweet. Or you take a eat from the banana that the guy them selling on the beach. Eat a coconut, drink a jelly coconut. If you get thirsty or hungry, you can find a restaurant to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful the Caribbean Sea. them lovely, so sweet. They from Nago, they from England, they from Caribbean, you see. From America, Germany, Switzerland, you can see. Take a walk up the beach, you can see. How
Yeah, man.
beautiful they look when they stretch out them on the beach. And then I tell it to you, you're my princess, so nice and so sweet. You're a black African. I never forget this out of my head. Get that out of my mind. Get that out of my mind. You are so nice and so beautiful.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Respect, respect.
And you know, where you from? Where you from?
Jamaica, you know, you hear me accent, man.
Yeah, we know you're from Jamaica.
Uh-huh.
Come here, let me ask you. That's someone vibration.
So, guys, we just have, what's your name again?
Jabber.
Jabber just sang me songs, man. Respect, respect.
You know so much art of love, you know?
Yeah, man.
You understand?
So, guys, we have nice artwork here. Cocoa palm, see? They have the dreadlocks down there. They have different artworks. You have the turtle shell, we have fishes, small and big ones. Any one you want. I guess the price varies. And this is the surrounding area, guys. This is what it looks like. Negril, Jamaica, western part of Jamaica. Cocoa palm. See? We have one dreadlocks right here. Jamaica, no problem, man. So guys, I'm still in Negril. I just walked down the beach and I'm right here. First of all, I was at Cocoa Palm. I just walked down and right now I'm at Travelers. So I just walked down the beach like a block. And this is what it looks like at Travelers Hotel in Negril, up the beach. So as you can see, the sea is right there. And we have, this is what the environment look like. Right now I'm sitting underneath this big grape tree. You see? Chairs here and we're just overlooking the sea. And right over there, let me zoom. Right over there is an orchid tree. It's not bearing. Yeah, it has some young ones on it. But this is what the environment look like, guys. Very quiet right now. So people are just, you know, coming out, chilling out. This is early morning, like maybe 9-10 o'clock. The boats are already out waiting for guests. You know, it's not quite busy as, you know, Negril used to be before the pandemic. But yeah, you know, I've seen a few people here. And you know, this is winter season. Man, it was back then, it would be jam-packed at this time. But you know, that, it is what it is. What we're gonna do. Just gonna have to work with what we have here. So guys, this is just a nice boat passing by on the water. I'm sitting here having some breakfast. Look what is happening in the grill. Oh, now this boat is just passing by tourists up the beach. I wish I was on this. This is what you call relaxation. It's chilling. Guys, these words. Just take a break away from the house. Find somewhere, relax, settle your nerves, get away from the stress. You deserve it. Come on, right up on the beach. Nice. Guys, look at the big difference. I'm back here today in Negril and look what we got here. Really rough sea. Oh no. You can see the big change from yesterday to today. Look at these waves. Bad, big, rough sea. Look at. Ah, no, I will not go in this water today. No way. Right. So it's from perfect yesterday to really rough today. Look at these waves. Negril. So I will not be going into this water today. No way, sir. But I can still see some people taking their chances. See, there's a guy right there, isn't it? So good luck. But anyway, I'm still on the beach, taking in the sea. Really tall waves, very rough. We have a great tree right here. These are all their launch here. Actually, I'm right here at Travelers Inn. So today is a day, guys. So you just walk the beach. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend going into water unless you are a brave, good swimmer. Who knows, maybe today gonna calm down later on, but as for now it's really rough. See the waves.